Hello, good evening.
Yes, very good evening to you.
Yeah. I hope I'm audible and visible. Everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay, perfect. So, why not we start with the introduction and then we'll dive into the session? It would be better, okay? So, I want
Yes,
you to break the ice. Yeah.
exactly. It is high time to introduction part. So we should go for introduction, definitely.
Yeah. So, you can start?
Yeah, before starting, just I would like to know about yourself. Like, how are you doing nowadays? How is going on your YouTube channel and everything?
Okay,
Please tell me.
perfect, perfect. I can go. Don't worry. Yeah, so as you know that I think I have shared my channel link also for reference, but again I can share about me. So my name is Sakshi Chauhan and I am from Gwalior, MP. I born and brought up only here. And right now, I'm a PhD scholar as well, and I'm also taking classes like spoken English classes for basic, intermediate. And yes, along with that, I also upload videos on my YouTube channel. Yes, I am not very consistent last 6 to 7 months due to some personal reasons, due to some health issues. But now I have decided to restart all these things again. So, yeah, that is all about me.
Exactly. I haven't seen since long time actually. So
Yeah,
now, are you okay?
yeah, now
Are
I'm
you fit and fine?
absolutely fine. Yeah, earlier actually I had some stomach issues and then I went to doctor, so I got to know that I had, I have a gallbladder stone. So because of that, I'm having issues. So I got surgery. Yeah. So
Okay.
then it took
Because you
time to
have so many
recover.
things.
Yeah.
So many things, so many. You have so many things. So you should actually, you should drink enough water. So it is
Yeah.
better for you. So you should try.
Hmm. But now fortunately I'm absolutely fine because
Okay.
that gallbladder surgery is not a very big deal, but I had some another health issues also. I had some weakness also, so it took, I think, 15 to 20 days. I was completely on bed. I was not able to walk properly. It's a lot of things,
Okay.
but yeah, now I'm
Okay.
absolutely fine. No health issue.
Okay. Okay.
So this
So
time I
have you completed all the medication or it is going on?
yeah, now everything is done. So
That's good.
that's what I told you. Now everything is done. So now I have shifted my focus. Of course, I'm taking care of my health as well. But yes, more than my
Okay.
health, I have to focus on my other things also, like my study and these things. So yeah.
Yeah, you should do. So yeah, this is my turn actually. Basically, thank you very much for giving me such a wonderful and remarkable opportunity for me, and I'm really admired for this session. And when it comes to introduction part, definitely I would say I'm basically connecting from West Bengal. So if I talk about my home city, so I can say I belong to Krishnanagar city, which is very elder and historical city. And if I talk about my education qualification, so already I have done, and now I'm working professional. Like since I have been working since 2016,
Hmm.
so still I'm doing job as a medical department.
Okay.
That's all I for me.
Glad to hear. And what about this English? When did you start learning and how did it come in your mind that let's talk to people and connect with the co-learners? How did it come in your mind, or somebody had just suggested, or you just explore it from yourself that you can also find co-learners with whom you can connect, you can have practice, you can share all the process.
Yeah, exactly. This is a very basic question, and it is very basic question for me and everyone. So because we are learner and still I'm doing the same thing. Yeah, once upon a time when Corona happened, so on that time I thought this is the time I can learn something. So
Okay.
what thing I can learn? So
Hmm.
so on that time, so so on that time I thought, yeah, I know English, but uh, I cannot speak English fluently.
Hmm.
So this is the time I can learn English a better way, where I will able to speak fluently. Okay, and so realize?
Hmm.
How do I realize? Because every year I have so many meetings. So when I join meeting, so I cannot speak on the stage fluently. I
Hmm.
speak little by little. So on that time, I feel no, no, no. Actually, now I am in this designation, but when I can switch my another designation, I will get another designation. So on that time, I have to do this. I have to keep presentation. I have to explain a lot in English.
Hmm.
So because medical profession, as you know, each and every term are very complicated. Like who are not comfortable for these, like empagliflozin, dapagliflozin. When it comes to pharmacology, when it comes to anatomy, so bacteria name like Staphylococcus aureus,
Yes.
like this name is very complicated, so you cannot
Hmm.
easily speak. Okay,
Hmm.
so I'm very comfortable. I'm master in my profession. So yeah, still I try to learn something. So so every time I study, like this uh, profession, this department also so many things have so many things. So that's why every time actually mm, I have to learn something.
Hmm.
So for my personal and professional improvement.
Right.
So for this reason, this that reason, for that reason, English come to my mind, and yeah, I started my journey on that time. I joined one online institute,
Okay.
but but I cannot get benefit
Hmm.
benefit from that organization or that institute. But you know, actually, institute means they have a basic, like a basic, very basic part, and the same thing they want teach everyone the same thing, and uh, those are I cannot say those are not necessary, not important, or not essential. Yeah, definitely essential for not me actually. I know very basic things. So
Yes.
how can I do this? So
Hmm.
the so after few days when Corona has gone,
Hmm.
so after few days I can actually I stopped learning. So again I stop because of my workload. So at least 2024
Hmm.
on that time
Hmm.
I have strongly desired I have to do this. So
Hmm.
because I have to speak lot actually, without hesitation, without start. So on that time, October 2024 October, this time actually I promised myself I can start again,
Hmm.
and I can continue. I can continue my journey,
Hmm.
whatever situation I have to manage my time for myself. So yeah, still I'm maintaining consistency. It's not actually I cannot say I get much time, but very little bit time. But
Hmm.
yeah, I'm trying. Still I'm trying.
Okay.
And there are so many groups. First of all, 2024, I get WhatsApp group. So
Okay.
one of my friend, online friend.
Hmm.
So they gave me one suggestion. If you really want to improve yourself,
Hmm.
so you can join one group. So if you are interested, so I will send you. So he please send me. Definitely, why not? It would be really helpful for me. So he has sent, and still I have so many groups,
Okay.
WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups. So yeah, there are so many options to maintain consistency, to get fluency. So there are so many options uh, to gain my knowledge, to gain your knowledge. So and everybody, every people they have like opportunity to learn new things. So at the same way, uh, each and every single day I get so many things
Hmm.
for learning. So still I try to doing this. I'm trying to doing this because it's little bit hard for me. All the things
Right.
I cannot follow. I do not follow because of my time.
Hmm.
But I
Lack of
have to
time.
be
Yeah.
specified. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, but still, so what do you think that yourself, did you see any change in yourself? Do you think that when you have started from that time to this time, there is any changes or improvements? Did you observe yourself or your English?
Exactly, exactly. There are so many changes because at the very first time, so uh, when I was ready to talk with anyone, from that time I failed to during conversation I got stuck myself. Sometimes I got hesitated, hesitate with someone in front of others.
Hmm.
So yeah, so many things are there. But one thing is there, I have dedication because I was able to speak something. Huh. So I was mistaking, but yeah, I was supposed to uh, speak something. So and now yeah, I'm getting improvement a lot because without hesitation I can speak with anyone without like hesitation, without fear, without worry.
Hmm.
So, and it is you can say it is it is cup of tea actually. It is easy to it is piece of cake actually for me.
Okay.
Like this is very easy for me actually
Hmm.
to speak with someone, to share my thoughts with someone easily. At the same way, I can uh, convey my message with someone. So this is improvement, and you can see.
Right, right. Yeah, I can definitely see. So, do you do another activities? I know that you are working professional. You might not get enough time to do some other activities. But apart from that, still I want to know that do you do other activity like listening? Listening is something that we can do it easily, or reading, or apart from just connecting with people. Is there anything? No?
Yeah, thank you, Sakshi. You asked me another very impactful and very uh, interesting part, which is reading. So I'm very fond of reading. Believe me, I'm
Okay.
very fond of
Wow.
reading. So only reading, actually, reading has changed my life. Actually, reading. So every day I read a lot. Every day.
Okay.
So whenever I have time, I try to uh, focus on WhatsApp group, and I read with so many passages, article, and definitely I'm very fond of self-help book to read self-help book.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I try to read some of self-help book summary
Hmm.
every day. It could be 15 minutes, it could be 20 minutes, but I can read very faster.
Very good. Okay. So you do reading on daily basis, right?
Exactly. Right.
Wonderful. So can you mention some name of the books that you have read yet?
Yet the power of now
Okay.
and the miracle of the miracle morning,
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, that's great. I heard about these two books, but not read yet. So yeah, in future definitely I will read. these books. Or any other books in your mind that you are planning to read next?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So many book like it could be, I can say, uh, like the millionaire mindset, the
Okay.
millennial
Millionaire mind.
mindset,
Okay. Hmm.
mindset, and one another very beautiful. Like I read few pages, which is like the book is the Mega Living by Robin Sharma. The Mega Living. If you read this book,
Hmm.
so you are able to know so many things in your life, how to start your life, how to gain your knowledge, how to start your career, how to maintain your wealth, how to maintain your health,
Hmm.
and how to communicate with others, and how to be spiritual person. So you can learn so many things from this book, The Mega Living by Robin Sharma.
Okay, okay. Definitely, I will go with these books and I will definitely read it. So for now, actually, the conversation is definitely going to be very interesting. But as you know that there is, as I'm sweating a lot, so I'm in this room. So,
I have seen, yeah,
yeah, so I want to connect with you definitely next time. But for now, we need to wrap
exactly.
up. So, yeah, but it is a wonderful conversation, and definitely I have a lot to ask for sure. But yeah, at this moment, we need to wrap it up. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, thank you so
Sure,
much for
sure. Why not?
joining,
Actually,
and next time we will definitely join it. Okay.
yeah, of course. Actually, if I get time, definitely. And this session is really wonderful, remarkable, exceptional,
Yeah,
and it was a remarkable conversation with you. And thank you.
that
Thank
I
you very much
literally
for
enjoyed.
connecting me.
Thank you so much for joining.
Bye bye. Good night.
Yeah, good night.